With Portmore set to be named Jamaica's 15th parish, this will be the first change to the 14 parish configuration, which has been in existence since 1867.
Jamaica, Jamaica.
However, prior to that, there had been many alterations. This video will highlight the major modification to the island's internal boundaries and how we ended up with the 14 parishes we have today.
Jamaica, Jamaica, even on lion, down in Jamaica, Briggy born and grow.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Before the English captured Jamaica in 1655, and while it was under Spanish rule, there were 8 geographical regions on the island. They were North Side, Bluefields, Guanaba, Whittywood, St. Jago de la Vega, Ligani, Yalas, and Morant.
I tell you, St. Catherine down to Hanover, Montreal down to Westmoreland.
Between 1655 and 1675, the English divided the island into parishes. This was reportedly done by Thomas Muddyford, who was the governor from 1664 to 1673. The original English parishes were St. James, St. Anne, St. Mary, St. George, St. Thomas, St. David, Port Royal, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, St. John, Clarendon, and St. Elizabeth. The land west of St. James and north of St. Elizabeth was unnamed. Likewise, that between southern St. James, southern St. Anne, eastern St. Elizabeth, northwestern Clarendon, and western St. John. Between 1673 and 1692, there were 15 parishes. St. Elizabeth got a piece of the unnamed territory mentioned above. So did Clarendon, whose southern tip was named into a new parish called Vere. This was in 1673. Clarendon also got a piece of St. John. So did a new parish, St. Dorothy, which was formed in 1675. It took a part of eastern Clarendon. A new parish called St. Thomas in the Vale was created north of St. Catherine in 1675. St. Thomas then became St. Thomas in the east. Kingston became the 16th parish after it was created out of St. Andrew in 1693. The number increased to 17 in 1703. When the unnamed land west of St. James and parts of St. Elizabeth became Westmoreland. In 1723, Portland was created from St. George and St. Thomas in the east, while northern Westmoreland became Hanover, pushing the total to 19 parishes.
I tell you, St. James right around to Clarendon, Lord, he was St. Mary right round to Portland.
The number then increased to 20 in 1770 when the parish of Trelawney was created from eastern St. James. In 1814, Manchester was created from Vere, Clarendon, and St. Elizabeth, moving the number to 21. The 22nd parish emerged in 1841 when Metcalfe was created from southeastern St. Mary and St. George. On April 23, 1867, the number decreased to 14 as Clarendon absorbed the Vere. St. Catherine merged with St. Thomas in the Vale, St. John, and St. Dorothy. St. Thomas in the east annexed St. David, and St. Mary subsumed Metcalfe. Most of Port Royal was absorbed by St. Andrew, and a smaller portion became part of Kingston. Metcalfe became a part of St. Mary, and St. George was absorbed by Portland.